Good morning, Mojo. Do you wanna go for a walk? Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, do a stretch. Oh yeah. Okay, so we are officially at our new campsite at Rock Island State Park, and so far it's pretty freaking great. We went on like a big walk last night to explore the campground, so I wanted to do the same this morning on Mojo and I's morning walk and give you a little tour of where we'll be for the next like 5 days or so. Mojo is very excited.
Ready? It's like, it's time.
So this is our campsite, obviously. I'll give you more of an in-depth tour when I get back, but yeah, we're like right up against the forest, which is super nice. And then across the way here, there is a bathhouse for tent campers because there's a lot of tent campsites here as well. But also, you know, we don't have a dump site at our site, so we're gonna probably take most of our showers here just to conserve, you know, how much gray water we make. Dylan took a shower here last night and said that it was pretty nice. So I'll have to try it out for myself soon. Down over there, there's some more RV sites and tent sites that way. I don't know how many sites there are, but I'll put the number here. Come on, Mojo, walk in. Okay, so this is the second bathhouse, and in here, oh. It's very scary, but it's okay. Oh my God, that was, did you see what that was? What was it?
It's like a cicada.
Oh, it was a cicada? We love that. Mojo gets scared of everything. I'll put him down for a second. So yeah, laundry. We actually do need to do some laundry soon and wash our sheets. Over here we have a pavilion for people to hang out. Over here there's a beach volleyball course, which is fun. Little playground, ping pong. We got all the things, so that's fun. Okay, so some of the RV sites are, like, they're called kind of different, which is really interesting. Some have full hookups, and then some like ours only have water and electric. And then some, like this one, has pretty maxed out setup. So obviously you park your rig here, and then you walk down and you have kind of like your own little area. We have all this stuff at our site as well, but this is just kind of more secluded. So there's a whole deck sort of fence area, picnic table, grill. I believe that's for a bear bag, and then a fire pit. And then right over here, there's actually like a trail. So I will definitely be taking Mojo on it at some point. Okay, and here's the trail. I guess it's only a half mile long, but Moonshine Trail's right here. I have not checked it out yet. Okay, so the trail I showed you guys earlier today is more of like a forest walk, and there's 1,000 spider webs. It's not really a hike, but right across the street is an actual trail called Bluffs Trail. It's on All Trails and everything, and I believe it's about 1.7 miles total. I think either total or one way, I don't know. But yeah, that's kind of about it. Obviously, you didn't see all of the sites here. There's like various streets and cul-de-sacs, but overall, we really like it. Cell service is decent here. Obviously, we have the Wii Boost.
Really good.
Yes.
Oh, without the Wii Boost, it's all right.
Yeah, without the Wii Boost, it's like maybe 2 bars. And then with the Wii Boost, it's pretty fast. I think we had it, I'll show a screen thing, but AT&T and Verizon both work here.
T-Mobile's meh.
Yeah, T-Mobile's meh. And for the fun part, we got the dump over here. So there's 2 dump sites here and then 2 dumpsters over there. Oh, hello, dear. This is not a great spot for you. Oh, there one goes this way, the other goes that way. All right. I know, you don't need a leash, but there's rules. Are we going on a walk? He's so excited. Okay, let's go. Mojo must walk into every body of water possible. What the hell?
That's really cool. Like, this is Tennessee.
We just walked from like over there all the way to here. And then over here, there's like this cliff edge that we're gonna go to. On the other side of the river is Blue Hole. We're definitely going there this week. It's like a 9-minute walk.
Closer to us, actually.
Yeah, it's a lot closer, and it's only like a 9-minute walk to the water.
Someone's thirsty.
Oh, it's so humid. Hello. I'm a happy dog. Mojo's so cute in the morning. I always come out here to drink coffee and stuff and eat breakfast, and he takes himself on a little forest walk. Hi! You having fun? Yeah? Look who's decided to emerge.
Now I got 30 minutes until the next meeting. Need to touch some grass. Oh, yeah.
How many calls do you have today?
Like 7. Yeah.
I have 3. You're putting me to shame. So Mojo has found his new favorite spot in the RV.
He's so really good at looking awkward in it too.
He's the most awkward dog on the face of the earth. He slept here all last night, and he likes to look out the window. It's very cute. sandwich lunch day.
Thank you.
Do you see this? Do you see this? Liquid IV sent this to me, which if you know me at all, I have been obsessed with Liquid IV since college. Literally, I started using Liquid IV when I was hungover. Just to put that out there. It's magical if you ever have a crazy night out and you want to just not be feeling it the next day. Anyway, this video is not sponsored by Liquid IV, but they did send me this. I thought I would show you what's inside because I died when I first saw all of this. So first of all, obviously, they sent me 3 different packs of Liquid IV. Yes, I've opened them. I wanted to show you guys the full effect though before I deconstructed everything, but they sent me 3 different flavors: acai berry, passion fruit, and lemon lime. I will say my 3 favorite is passion fruit, strawberry, what's the cherry? Oh, golden cherry. Love them. So they sent me that. They sent me this cute little water bottle, and then I think they know that I'm camping because they've sent us 2 different games. So there's this like tic-tac-toe situation here. Liquid IV tic-tac-toe. And you guys are gonna laugh at the next thing that's underneath. Yes, there is an underneath part. I swear they know we're camping. Look at this. They sent a mini hacky sack cornhole thing. How funny is that? It's so small. This is it next to my head. And then fanny pack. You can never have enough fanny packs. I love bringing this on hikes. We got another hat. Love. Another camping equipment. We got a deck of cards. Thank you, Liquid IV. This is amazing. I do have a discount code, FYI, if you want some. It gets you 25% off and free shipping, which is a pretty sweet deal, I gotta say. So use my code Crosby Travels or the link below. He doesn't know I'm filming him. Look at it. Having fun?
Yes.
Okay, so I just did a little workout and I'm in dire need of a shower. And like I mentioned earlier, we don't have a dump at our site. We didn't really know this until we got here. It's not really a big deal. We dumped the grain tank the other day at the dump site, but for some reason we're kind of running through a lot of water right now. We're already at 2/3. So I'm gonna go take a shower in the public shower. So yeah, I guess I'll just show you what it's like in there. I don't know. Okay, so here are the showers. There's 2. We'll take the further one. Very nice. That felt amazing. So we leave tomorrow from this campsite, so we kind of have a lot of like chore kind of things to do today. Laundry, I need to go to Walmart, it's like the closest like actual grocery store, and get some food and then like random stuff that we need. Obviously we work today as well too, and we want to go on this little hike tonight and then do like a campfire, make some food tonight outside, so lots of things planned, so trying to get chop with it. All right, Dylan is handling errands. I'm doing laundry later. Don't forget to get change, cash.
Yes.
We need that. See you in a few hours. I love you.
Love you.
Nice. Where are we going, Delone?
A hole that is blue.
A hole that is blue, also called Blue Hole. Work is over, and we're gonna go have some fun, and I am very excited. My brain is mushy. And of course, Mojo is along for the ride. Come on! Well, as of right now, I think we're the only ones here, which is pretty exciting. The whole parking lot's empty.
You can hear the water already.
Oh yeah. Mojo! Let's go, let's go! Mojo! Wow! Woo! Good boy! Oh, he's a little scared. So apparently this is the actual trail. Where you see the water, that's the trail. Definitely wear water shoes. You come here. I did not. Sneakers are very soaked. What do you think?
It's amazing. Like, it's literally just waterfalls forever here. This whole, you're gonna have to show this wall, but like, it's just crazy. What do you think, Mojo?
Shoes are coming off. I don't even own water shoes. That's the issue.
All right, be careful. Oh, it feels great.
Oh, it actually feels great. Wow, look at this wall.
Yeah, it just keeps going on forever. I mean, you can even see all the way over there.
Damn, that's so cool. The whole thing is just waterfalls coming out of the ground. It's insane. Look at this. This is insanely cool. All of this is moss. like this big with the claws just in the water. So that's great. But otherwise, this is actually insane. The waterfalls are everywhere. We were actually on our first hike to Twin Falls the other day. That is where we were at the very end of the hike. Pretty sick. We're on like the other side of the river now. So it's been a few days since we went on that incredible hike to Blue Hole. I could not recommend that area enough. It's so stunning, but it has been a few days and we're actually at another state park in Tennessee. I'm not going to tell you which one because it's going to be in the next video, but overall I absolutely loved staying at Rock Island State Park. I will go as far to say it was probably me and Dylan's favorite campsite that we've stayed at so far. And just in general, we've been really loving staying at state parks because I just have really been loving being immersed in nature and kind of having our own space, but also have full hookups and an area with decent cell coverage since we do work online full time. That combination at state parks has been really nice. So we are at another one, already really liking it. So stay tuned for next week's video. Make sure to subscribe so you see that. But I do really recommend this campground at Rock Island. We met some incredible people and the amenities are really nice and it's just a really beautiful area to camp for a week or so. But as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like it if you enjoyed it. It really supports me, and subscribe so you can keep up with our adventures, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!